What's up, everybody? It is your boy SkittleFab. So I am on my way to Clinton, Massachusetts to do a rear quarter panel fender roll on a 91 Nissan 240SX project drift car that is fully gutted with a roll cage. It's like a sky blue, candy blue, you know what I mean, in the middle of that type paint job. It is fresh, it is in a carport. The rear suspension and subframe was all put in. I guess it's fully built, and this is his second 240SX. His other one is right next to it, so let's go check out the one I'm gonna go fender roll, the one that I want to bring to you guys in this video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, before I get into this fender roll, I want Brandon to basically break it down to you guys what he did and where he bought this car. So let's just get into it and he can go ahead and explain it.
What's up guys, my name is Brandon. This is my 91 240SX. Picked it up about 3 months ago from South Carolina, completely rot free.
This dude did not know what he had when he sold it for 600 bucks.
I ripped it down to bare shell, did the paint myself, rebuilt the rear subframe, BC coilovers, built my SR20 for this car, had the cage done by Russ from Club Loose North, and I plan to finish it by my birthday in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, you guys. Plans on having this done. I'm gonna go ahead and...
At least running.
At least running. And that's his wire harness. Here I went ahead and modified that one. This dude's almost like me. The only difference is that he has a drift car. I've always wanted a drift car, and if I had one, it would probably be a 240SX. Same thing, just a different color. I don't know. I'm like a black and red type of person, but this shit's dope, you guys. That's the dash pad. It's all fully gutted, you guys. Look at that. Exactly like mine, just not tucked yet. You know what polyurethane is, right? Obviously.
Yeah, like body kits poly.
Yeah, so after I'm done rolling this car, this is the painted area, and this is that lip that I'm gonna go ahead and roll. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that up. Once I'm done rolling it, obviously the moisture's gonna be gone because I got the heat gun. It's been nice out, it hasn't been raining. So I'll go ahead and fold that, and then you're gonna seam seal that. Basically from where I roll, my roll goes basically half the body, nowhere lower, and then about the same right here where the bumper usually would be, but since yours is one whole piece, you know.
Yeah.
I love that this thing is so fresh, dude.
Oh yeah, it's like working on a brand new car.
Yeah, it really is.
It also didn't look anywhere close to this 2 months ago.
You gonna be running these wheels, or what are you gonna be doing?
I'll be running these wheels for daily, but I have the black wheels on the other side of this tent that I'm gonna be running for like drift spares. So
nice. All right, so let's see where we're at. All right, in this situation, so what we're gonna be doing here is we are gonna be taking the scissor jack that I got, and what I'm gonna be doing is I made room right here in between the strut and the hub bolt, and that's gonna basically give me movement. And I'm gonna go ahead and take my scissor jack and put it under the lower control arm, just right about here, just so it can sit. And then from here we're gonna go ahead and put a piece of wood just so I can keep that from moving while I go ahead and fender roll this lip right here. Go ahead. There we go. Let's put the scissor jack right under there. The ball joint looks ripped, bro.
yeah,
Definitely gonna be replacing that before you go drifting.
might be a little bit of a itch to move.
Yeah, I know.
But just welded.
We get lost, we can get high. Because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. I will love you. We rule the world. just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. When everything's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me cloud, never let you go. Give me your love, give me cloud, never let you go. Give me your love. Give me your love. Never let you go. We get lost, we can get high. You got me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. When everything's gone.
So who recommended you?
Pretty sure I posted on Mass Tuning and like 2 kids said you. And then I looked into it and saw like a couple of YouTube videos or whatever. So,
Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Give me your love. Never let you go.
You can see that I'm almost fully flush with the outer quarter panel, but now I gotta go ahead and flatten it completely.
I can't wait till this car's completely done.
I bet, man. That's like me, man.
Yeah, I really want to make it to a race on the 13th, but I don't want to fucking rush my car or anything.
Nah, don't, man.
I have one on the 28th that's like more reasonable to fucking get. I could definitely have it ready for the 28th.
See how your lip folds and you gotta paint here now?
What's up?
See how your fender rolls and it
Oh
pulls
yeah,
out?
yeah.
That shit, you might even want to redo it.
Yeah, I'll do a quick coat on this fender.
Yeah. It might do it on the other side. I would get in here. Why? You missed here. When you paint, always jam.
Yeah.
Then you paint.
Yeah, I have plenty of paint. I can just touch it up.
So, you want to feel that?
Oh yeah.
Right? See, no compromission to the outside, you guys. No chipping. No fading. But he will have to re-jam the whole edge and back there. But it's really not that much work. See, a little bit right there. But that's flush, you guys. See? And then we got this side I haven't touched. See? There's that big gap right there. So, let me get to this side. So I went ahead and I actually pulled the quarter panel a little bit. He wanted me to pull it, so I pulled it just a half an inch, just enough that it flared a little bit, which now it's even smoother. Like, look at that, you guys, see that? That's smooth. We are done. We did the passenger side rear quarter panel, and this is what you get.
You ready to drop it down?
Yeah, go ahead and drop it. A little bit of flare. You can see that. What a nice, slim, beautiful.
Stand out on that side.
Yep. Yep. No.
Alright, ready? Looks good.
I think it'll be good, bro. Right?
Yeah. You're good, there's plenty of room. Even if I wanted to run a size up tire also.
Well, I'm done here, you guys. I'm about to head out. Hope you guys like this video. This Fender roll and this car, this 91 240 SX. You guys, if you guys are from the Northeast, Mass, New Hampshire, Maine, Rhode Island, New York, come up to the dragways and the drift shows this year and come out and see both of us. If you guys want to check him out on Instagram, I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can go ahead and click link to his profile. Go ahead and follow him and follow his build. You guys can see it's a project. So smash the like button. Be easy. Stay tuned. Peace.